huwag kang matakot. Continue to make your dreams happen. Kasi nung mga 20s ako, feeling ko medyo, suppressed ako dun sa mga, ko talaga, gusto kong gawin in life. So, I feel that now that I'm in my 30s, parang life is just really starting for me dahil ito yung time na medyo, syempre may takot pa rin ako, meron pa rin akong mga, hindi ko alam kung mag-workout ba to, yung mga ginagawa ko, pero I'm more of parang, I'm not afraid to fail at this point in time. Parang, I don't really call it failure if lessons learned lang talaga siya. Yung, hindi kasi naman pwedeng magsubukan mo isang bagay successful agad. Kailangan meron ka talagang matututunan for every process in anything that you do. So, yun, I think that's what I'll tell my future self when I turn 40, and hopefully, pagdating ko ng 40, talagang ma-achieve ko na yung goal ko na maging multi-billionaire, gano'n. Kasi di ba life starts at 40, so yun yung sabi nila na. Because I feel that's the time that you're really career-wise and financially wise, yun talaga yung time na medyo ma-achieve mo na sana yung mga gusto mong maabot in life. At saka sana pa rin, yung mag-age gracefully ako, gano'n. Sana walang stress, walang stress at very peaceful pa din ang aking life.